Hi, welcome to DL Academy. This video series is about the complete guideline of how to draw a cross-section and a longitudinal section in AutoCAD using Microsoft Excel and VBA. Just look at this. In this sheet we can just enter the relevant elevation data. And if you have your design elevations, custom datum, horizontal and vertical scales, even the font sizes, and option for select the others. And this is fully customizable. Finally, when you click on a button, the program draws it on AutoCAD. Now, you want to know how can you do this, do you? Here we go. First, you should enable the Developer tab in Microsoft Excel. Is it not shown on default? For that, go to File, and under Options select Customize ribbon, and then tick on Developer and click OK. Now you have the Developer tab on Microsoft Excel. Just go to it and click on the Visual Basic button and VBA window may open. On that, right-click on Microsoft Excel object and insert a new module. Shall we write some code to create a new AutoCAD file or open the existing one? After that, we are going to create a new text style and assign a desired font to the style. First, define the variables. Let's write some code to load the AutoCAD application. This shows the warning if some error with the application. Let's create a new text style for the AutoCAD and name it to new_style. Now assigning the Arial font to the style. Then set the style to AutoCAD when loading. Let's add this line to zoom the AutoCAD window and then unload the data in variables. Then we just test the code. For that, add a sub and run the program. Yes, it opened the AutoCAD file and new_style is created and has the Arial font. Okay, see you on next lesson and shall draw the section. Have a nice day.